What's up, guys? I'm doing a unboxing today. Finally got my my case in for my computer. So I did already open it. I got to the house. I got it sent to my buddy's house because I live in an apartment. I don't want to have something like this just sitting outside of my door. But I got to his house and I noticed this. So naturally it kind of made me freak out a little bit. So I had to open it up and make sure that there wasn't nothing wrong with it. And luckily it was right where the styrofoam was. So first thing is this thing was sitting outside of his house like that. Giant letters. Picture of the computer. I mean, it is just a case, but you would think that they would disguise it somehow for shipping. So yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Got this off of Newegg. Sent it through FedEx, I believe it was. Let's set this thing down. How the hell are you supposed to get this out of here? Here's the top of it. I assume that's the power button. Got a fan already built in. Another fan. Check out the inside. Pretty nice. I'm gonna have to take this plastic off. Make sure there's no scratches anywhere. I'm not sure how to do this. Probably shouldn't be doing this with one hand, but come out this way. Oh, there we go. It's an NZXT H510. Pretty nice, I like it. Now I just got to get the rest of the parts. Ugh. Alright guys, that's my case. More parts incoming. Talk to y'all later.